Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you just search for King Piers LLC, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We're back out here on our project in Leawood, Kansas. Just to give a brief overview, we have been contracted to lower the floor inside this basement room. So what we're doing is first, now that we've got all the concrete saw cut and broken up, we're excavating down to 3 feet in depth. So we're close to halfway done with the excavation. We got our main crew out here now that's going to be assisting our second crew just to try to expedite a lot of the excavation today, get as much of that done as we can, because next week we'd like to be able to set up our forms the first half of the week so we can get the concrete out here for maybe Thursday and Friday if possible and finish this up. But we're going to be excavating 3 feet across this room. Once we're down 3 feet, we're going to have 6 inches of gravel that we're going to be spreading out 6 inches thick. And then ultimately there's going to be a 6-inch high strength concrete floor poured on top of that. But once the excavation is done, we'll get our forms set up. We're going to be pouring new high strength concrete foundation walls, basically just extending this down everywhere that you see. We have a bunch of footings that we're going to be working around also, so we got to keep those same sizes in mind when we set up forms for the new footings for the new wall. We're going to try to do this in 2 pours, so the wall and the footings are going to be poured monolithic. And then once that's done, like I said, we're going to spread 6 inches thick of gravel on top of the subgrade here. We're going to thoroughly compact it, get everything done with that we need to, and then once that gravel is spread out, the second and final pour will be the 6-inch thick high strength concrete floor. And then we're going to create a couple steps, and that should be it for this project. We're really going to try to aim to have this complete by next Friday, if at all possible. At least as of right now, it looks like we might just barely be able to squeak by on that. But we should have most of the excavation done by later this afternoon, or at the very latest, probably Monday. And then it's just getting the forms set up and concrete out here. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can always find those updates on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.